Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Merito Venezuela Manipur. I'm 31 years old, high school graduate. I'm a single mother of 3 kids. My oldest daughter is 13 years old. My son is 8 years old. And my youngest is 5 years old. And I have one sister. She's 26 years old. My work experience in the Philippines is a helper. My duty is to take care of newborn baby and do household chores like washing, iron, wash dish, and cooking. And I also have experience work abroad in Singapore. I work in Chinese family. My main job is to take care of newborn baby and 2 years old kid. I do cooking also, washing clothes, ironing, and cleaning the house. If you hire me, I will do my best. Thank you so much, mom and sir. See you in Singapore.